Ito, pupuntahan natin yung museum. Yung museum dito lang sa loob din. Yan, dito sa right side ang museum. Diyan ang museum sa loob ng building na yan. Kung open siya, kung close hindi tayo pwede.
Ah, 11 heures. Donc on peut se promener un peu dans le parc. C'est ouvert à 11 heures.
It's time to go inside because it's time to open this museum. And this is the beginning. It's all the books here.
And ici, ça c'est le chauffage. This used to be. So we can. It's here.
Ah, here. Wow.
This museum, yes, this is the Museum of Art.
Wow, it's
yeah,
too
it's
beautiful. Guys, you see, it's beautiful, the design. There. Ang ganda, super. Andito tayo sa museum dito sa loob ng cactus. Guys, tingnan ninyo from this side at saka dito. Sobrang ganda. Yes, just wait. Wow. Guys, tignan niyo, ang ganda. Wow, it's too beautiful. A lot of details. Wow. Wow, 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 wow. Super nice ang museum na to. Yan. From this side, tignan niyo yung detail ng ang ganda. Madami mga painting. Tingnan niyo guys, ganda super. Ito yung mga seat. Detail naman ang guys, super nice talaga. Pakita ko lang sa inyo para makita ninyo yung view dito. Maganda talaga siya. So ayun na guys, natapos na yung visit natin dito sa loob ng church na to. Super beautiful. Yung details. Ayan. Ayan. Dito sa kabila. Yes. Go walk. Yes, I'm going follow you. Okay, let's go. Yan. Tingnan niyo yung detail.
Regardez hier.
Ah, c'est cadre, ok.
Voilà. Regardez hier. Voilà.
That's a small.
This is inside garden of this
And the big
building.
one is much nicer actually.
Okay, let's go.
Okay, on y va?
Mhm.
You have to close the door.
And this one is a stone.
Yes, it's your picture of your skull. Okay, let's continue.
Here is the building already. This is the
Register, I think.
old money from before. It's a coins and it's too thin.
Yeah, what is it?
Ah, look the chimney. Look, it's beautiful chimney.
Yes, that's chauffage à l'époque. Typical one. Yeah, it's a beautiful one.
It's an older cabinet. Let's go. Oh, it's beautiful, this one. Wow, the chimney is beautiful. Wow. It's an old type.
Ah, it used to be the kitchen of the monastery here.
You
Yeah,
see
the
this
chimney
one?
is nice.
This
It's
this
nice.
one you have it, Mushari, the old clock.
It's a very good stand up.
Yeah.
It's like new.
Wait, I'll take a picture of this. Guys, tingnan niyo yung lababo niya is made up of fish. Diyan.
Okay, I'll explain.
Para siyang ancient time na dinala tayo sa ancient time.
I'll explain you something.
Ato, I just film a little bit. Yan, yung mga gamit nila dito is pang old style. Yan ang chimney. So, pasok tayo ulit dito sa kabila. We're going to enter the other side. This is the kitchen.
Yeah, the old kitchen.
The old kitchen.
The old Turks machines.
Old kitchen pala ito dito sa loob.
Here, look.
Guys, tingnan niyo yung detail ng mga paintings dito. Super nice. Their ceiling. Yung design is very, very beautiful. Sa baba. At yun, meron din silang chimney. Okay, continue tayo ngayon. Ang detail guys, ang ganda. Kahit yung door, may detail lahat. This is the... That's
it's
the...
a glass.
And then this one is what? It's a whole room.
Yeah, they will talk here and discuss.
This is a whole room.
Yes.
Ito yung whole room nila guys. Tignan niyo.
And here again the robinet, you see? To wash your hands, the same.
Yes. Guys, tignan niyo dito yung outfit ng mga ng sakristan. Detail ng ganyan. Ito yung outfit ng sacristan before. It's too colorful. Yan. Ito yung cross. Ito yung mga basa na ginagamit ng pari pag nagbibigay sila ng blessing. So mayroon ito sa taas. Guys, ito yung nagpapatunog ng bell. Very, very old. Ito yung artwork ng mga mga sacristan. Ito yung mga artwork nila. Ito. Ito yung mga damit ng mga sacristan. At ito yung mga sacristan. Kaya ito. Guys, tignan ninyo yung garden. Maganda siya, inner garden, malaking inner garden dito sa loob ng monastery. 1769, and this is the guy who wear the crown. Tignan ninyo yung buo niyan, dito pa, yung skull. The skull is still here, and this is the owner of this crown, the guy who
skull is here.
Yeah.
1769, more than 200 years old.
1769 years old.
50 years old.
I'll take a picture of this. And this all the sacristan. Guys, tignan ninyo, this is the bones of the saint here. And that one is also the bones. Nilagay nila dito. Ito yung bones ng Thomas Paul. Tsaka ito, 250 years old na sila. I like the smell. It's like a mint. Dito guys, it's 1625. Yeah, 1625. Ah, that's the we saw outside. Tignan ninyo guys. Sacristan. There's a sacristan here. Looking at the window, the sacristan. Guys, dito yung yung room ng sacristan. Yung room.
Keep the heat, probably.
Ito. Then dito din yung cabinet niya, lalagyan ng gamit ng sacristan. Ito yung chair ng sacristan. This is the chair of the sacristan. Ito yung mga lalagyan ng gamit, cabinet niya.
That's good.
Smells of mint.